Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase the quality of video recording into OBS Studio. You just simply come over into OBS Studio and then here you just need to click on settings. After that the settings window will be pops up and then you just need to go for the video section. And from here you just need to click on this canvas over here. If you click on that, then it will shows the resolution. Don't forget to choose the highest resolution. It will help you to make a qualityful video for from your OBS Studio. Also, you will do the same with this output resolution. Now I am recording, that's why it's not showing over here. But when you come over this position into video, you will get, just simply click on here and you will get the options that will gives you for your PC. If you have the high end, then you will choose the high end for your PC. After that, don't forget to choose the common FPS into 60 FPS and then you just need to go for the output. You can simply click the advanced option. I am selecting the advanced option, and if you go for the recording, you just simply click the recording format into MP4 and then the video encoder. If you have that, you can choose any of that, but I will leave it as Ustream encoder. And audio encoder, you should need to select this, and after that you just need to click on apply and then click OK. And from here it will help you to make high quality video into your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.